Okay, so the C55 has been delivered from Phoenix, Arizona. Just drove from there, follow along, and yeah, meeting the twin over there, another C55 of mine. So it should be a fun project car for sure. It's getting offloaded now, just making sure the battery is charged and stuff, and then we'll start it up and back it up. Okay. Hey everyone, it's Timothy with Cars in 4K. So I'm going and gonna start up the C55 project right now. So hope you guys are gonna enjoy this content. It's gonna be some pretty cool big project build for the C55 race car. So basically, as I'll post, or as I have posted before, just some of my C55 content, but I got a new C55, so soon you'll see also a video of me picking it up in Arizona. So basically I bought a project car that's kind of in shambles right now, but we're gonna start that project right now, and it's gonna go live, and hope you guys are gonna enjoy that whole process as well. So sooner or later I'm gonna also upload kind of like the track stuff that I did on my other C55 on the 2006 year, and basically I did a lot of suspension work on that car, and then also yeah, pretty much suspension, that's about it. And it was a pretty extensive project on that as well. So it's now driving quite nicely, but I thought, because I kind of wanted like a full-on track car, basically didn't really want to touch that car for like stripping the whole interior, taking and putting like Black Series bumpers on, and you know, kind of, and I'll put up a picture what my intent for this C55, the 2005 gen one, because there's, you know, some inspiration I have seen on the internet, and there had been one before from a company in San Diego area that had done a cool project on their C55 many years ago. So I got a lot of cool information on that car, and then basically found a car that I can kind of start this project on. So right now I'm gonna show you the car. As you can see, there it is. It got shipped from Phoenix, Arizona. So I bought it pretty much, I mean, I would say like kind of sight unseen, but I actually went to Arizona. I drove all the way, and I'll show you that content as well. It was pretty fun drive too in my CLS. So yeah, that was a cool experience. Let me get in the shade because it's pretty hot here. But basically, yeah, the road trip was quite a fun experience. Buying the car, you know, just gave the guy some money, and big shout out. I think he's going to be following my channel as well, the previous owner. So big shout out to the guy that sold me the car. It's pretty awesome, you know, and it was a smooth and like seamless transaction as well. So I'm super happy about it, and I hope to, you know, make some cool content with it, and then also be a fun, like, just full-on track car. So not me mumbling around and stuff on the different features that I want to do with it, but kind of a brief description is strip the interior, basically put a roll cage in there, and then also, you know, change some of the head unit, like take that out, put maybe some like simple carbon fiber in there or whatnot, you know, lightweight stuff, basically just strip it down. Then see how the suspension is on this car now. I'm not really sure what the extent is. I haven't had it up on a lift, which I'm just going to do that right now, and then see kind of the extent of what is needed on the car. So that's the first steps, and I'll document that as well. And then some teasers, maybe there's going to be some modifications or changes in the engine compartment too. I mean, right now it needs power steering pump and, you know, put coolant in there to start it up safely, but other than that, you know, it's gonna be some pretty fun content in the project. So please follow along if you enjoy the C55. I know it's a pretty rare car, but I mean, the nice thing is the internet doesn't have a lot of details on this kind of a build, and a lot of people are kind of like hush hush about it. Not maybe intentionally, but it's just like so uncommon, and it's a pretty rare car. So the cool thing is I think people are gonna enjoy this. I am gonna enjoy it, you know, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let me go and open this car up and start it up and move it into the shop, and then we'll start assessing the, you know, the damage on this car and see kind of what we can do. And the idea, like, take the seats out, take the interior out. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the old stuff. Most likely I'll just put it on Craigslist or something online and just sell it, because I don't need to store it, and it's some of the interior is not in good shape anyway, so I don't really need it anyways, and have no intent of putting it and reversing it back to a final state of normalcy, I would say. Other than that, let's get started. Okay, so like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy this content and follow along. Thanks. And also share if you want to. I'll share this to, you know, some of the forums of the C55, and maybe people would enjoy that documented on video, as well as maybe I can do some write-up on the parts that I'm gonna buy and what I'm doing with the car. Okay, ciao for now.